You might remember that a little while ago I posted a video titled "I've Achieved My Childhood Dream" where I celebrated my channel hitting 100,000 subscribers. Now since then I've gained more than 300,000 subscribers, and that video was just 2 days ago, meaning that I've gained more than 200,000 in just 2 days. I'm sure you're wondering right now, how the f did I manage to do this? Well, here's the story. It started by me messaging the CEO of YouTube on Twitter just as a joke to give me more subscribers. I of course did not expect any sort of response, but in the morning of the 28th of October, I get a reply from her asking me how much. I was stunned. Like I literally couldn't tell if this was a joke or her Twitter got hacked. So I replied with 100K. We somehow ended up FaceTiming, and after talking for a couple of hours, I was told that I'm apparently invited to some sort of a secret meeting at the YouTube headquarters. I literally cannot believe this is happening right now. Like I feel like I'm dreaming. And that right there is me, just a couple of minutes after landing in California, where YouTube HQ is located. Till this day, I cannot believe that I traveled all the way to the US for a private meeting with the CEO of YouTube and so many other...
Wait a minute, this isn't California, what the fuck?
Okay, so here's the real story. I posted a couple of YouTube shorts that did very well, and one got like 10 million views, and so that was pretty much the one that boosted the channel.
Skip it up and down.
I can't actually message Susan Wojcicki on Twitter because she has to follow me first. But hey, you can follow me on there. I post like selfies, and I'll do like a Q&A every now and then. I'm gonna be going into detail on how I managed to gain more than 200,000 subscribers in just a couple of days later on in this video. But speaking of Q&As, this is what this video is. I'm gonna be answering some of your questions. I would like to think that we have a pretty mature audience on this channel, so I'm expecting some serious, legitimate questions. What do you use to style your pubic hair? Well, this is a good segue to today's sponsors, Gorilla Glue. What's your favorite game? Club Penguin excluded. You know, it's hard to say because I haven't played any of the newer video games like Roblox or whatever you guys play nowadays, but I beat Grand Theft Auto San Andreas about 23 times when I was a kid, but that was so long ago I still hadn't learned English yet. It is funny because till this day I still don't understand the story because of that. But yeah, if I had to choose, I'd probably go for GTA San Andreas. Could we ever see you in a ring? Yes, there's a lot of people that I would absolutely love to share the ring with. Just to name a few that I think are on my level, I would say Fox the G. That's a good fight. We gotta make that happen at some point. Alex Wasabi. People keep mistaking me for you, so there can only be one with this face.
Bro, you need to chill out.
Ethan Klein.
Life's too short to exercise. I'm just gonna be...
We also look very much alike, and I'm completely okay with gaining 600 pounds if you don't want to cut weight.
Baba Booey.
Canelo Alvarez. It's a bit of a stretch, I know, but I figured this could be like a pretty good warm-up fight for me.
Please get the fuck out of here, man.
What's your end goal in life? About 2 years ago, I wrote down all the goals that I wanted to accomplish in life in this notebook right here, which is why it looks very old. Number 1, we've got reach 100,000 subscribers. Of course, we're already there. Number 2 is get some bitches. Number 3 is take a very good shower. I should have probably done that by now. 4, pay a visit to grandma. Yeah, I might need a shovel. 5, overtake KSI in subscribers. Yeah, so if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button. You can smash the like button as well if you want. But yeah, we're trying to take over KSI's second channel. We're only like a couple of 15 million subscribers away from doing so. So make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. And here's a little thing showing you how to do it in case you're mentally disabled. Will you consider making more prim? This is a cup of water. H2O, very popular among humans. I wanted to make more videos of me like making some random shit in the kitchen. It's just the problem is that I don't have any ideas. I was gonna make the Sidemen vodka, XIX vodka, but it's just I haven't like properly thought about how that would go. Let me know if you guys really want to see more videos of me making random shit in the kitchen. I should probably also mention that I don't know if you've noticed, but I started live streaming recently. Yesterday, if you weren't present, I went live with Fox the G. There's a big question that everybody would love to ask you right now, and I'm curious about it as well, personally. What's the password to your YouTube channel? No, I'm just kidding. Who are you fighting?
Are you doing a watch party stream for the Mayweather
And does you think?
It's fucking $60. I'm just gonna pay rent with that. If you want to see the full collab, I'll leave it down in the description. It's gonna be an edited version on my Clips channel. But if you want to see the full entire live stream, that is for the members of this channel. So if you're interested, you can join. And that's pretty much it. And now I will tell you how I gained 220,000 subscribers in 2 days. I could have simply just made a reaction video reacting to KSI reacting to me. And I think I did that actually. But I decided, hey, I'm gonna make a short version of this. And yeah, it was just basically me just pointing to the ceiling and it says KSI reacting to me. I made part 1, part 2, and part 3. All of them did very well. One of them hit like 10 million views, which is fucking insane. And yeah, I also did another video where I explained how I got shouted out by KSI, and that was in the form of a YouTube short. I added a lot, and I mean a lot of fucking subtitles. I mean, I literally subtitled everything that I said in the video. And so yeah, they're difficult to make. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm spending like at least like 2 hours just editing, like. And so yeah, it's not like they're completely effortless, but there's a lot of return on them. So yeah. And yeah, if you're a YouTuber and you're genuinely trying to grow your YouTube channel and you're not utilizing shorts, you're wasting your fucking time. I'm not even gonna lie. You gotta use shorts. And I'll see you in the next video. Why did I pause? Let me know what you think of the lights, by the way.